Hey there, so to use the Zapier integration of VoiceDrop, you can select the action by looking for the VoiceDrop integration. So just look for VoiceDrop and you can see here VoiceDrop.ai. Once you select it, you can come up to the action and then select the event to send a voicemail. Then the next step is authenticating your account. So click sign in to connect to VoiceDrop, and here it will ask you to enter your API key. So you can get your API key by coming to the dashboard, coming to the API section, and here for the send Ringless voicemail endpoint, go to headers and an auth key. You can generate an auth key and then copy it, and then you can paste the key right here. Once that's done, it will ask you to connect your account. So after that, click continue. And here you will enter data from VoiceDrop for sending a Ringless voicemail. So first of all is the voice clone, and the voice clone is simply the AI voice that you'll be using for sending this voicemail. So you can create a voice clone here in the platform, go to the setup page, and you can create a voice clone here either by recording your voice, uploading a voice file, or using one of the pre-made voices we have. So once you have a voice clone, you can come up and click copy ID, and you will paste it here in the voice clone field. Now the script to execute is simply the message that the recipient will receive. So for example, you can say, "Hey Robbie, my name is Andres. Please call me back." You can also add any variables from the data that you're getting in previous actions from your automation. So let's say I have a Google Sheet and I want to personalize the message with the name of the prospect. I can add here the data of the person. So just, the name of the agent, for example. And then for each Ringless voicemail, it will use a different first name. Next is the phone from, which is basically the sender phone number. Now, first of all, you need to have a verified phone number in the platform. So you can enter a US phone number in this field, then click send SMS verification code. So you will receive an SMS message, and after you enter the SMS message, it will verify your phone number. And now you can add it here. So let's say my number here is 786-588-1577. So I just copy it here. And lastly, the to number, which is the recipient phone number, is basically the phone number of the prospect that will receive the Ringless voicemail. So you can also add this from your tables. For example, for my Google Sheet, I'm going to add the phone number field of each of the rows in it. And that's basically how you set up the Ringless voicemail in Zapier. So click continue. You can test the step now. But now everything is set up. And for example, once I add more rows to my Google Sheet, it will send the Ringless voicemail to each of those prospects, specifically with the data I added from the variables of the Google Sheet. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.